The 2026 Harley-Davidson Model F has captured the attention of motorcycle enthusiasts around the world by blending the legendary spirit of Harley-Davidson with modern engineering and timeless styling. Inspired by the brand's rich heritage, this motorcycle is expected to deliver a classic appearance while incorporating today's technology and rider-focused improvements. From its vintage-inspired bodywork to its premium craftsmanship, every detail reflects the identity that has made Harley-Davidson one of the most recognizable motorcycle manufacturers in history. Whether you're a longtime Harley fan or someone discovering the brand for the first time, the Model F promises to be a machine that celebrates tradition while embracing the future. Power and performance are expected to remain at the heart of the 2026 Harley-Davidson Model F. Industry expectations suggest that it could feature a refined V-twin engine designed to provide strong low-end torque, smooth highway cruising, and the unmistakable Harley-Davidson exhaust character. Riders can also expect improvements in fuel efficiency, throttle response, and overall comfort for both city riding and long-distance touring. A carefully tuned suspension, confident braking system, and stable handling would make the motorcycle enjoyable across different road conditions, while preserving the relaxed riding experience Harley enthusiasts appreciate. The technology package is also expected to receive meaningful upgrades without taking away the motorcycle's classic personality. Modern LED lighting, a digital or semi-digital instrument display, advanced rider information, USB charging, selectable riding modes, and enhanced safety features such as ABS and traction control could all be part of the package, depending on the final production specifications. These features would help create a riding experience that feels modern and convenient, while still maintaining the authentic look and emotional appeal associated with the Harley-Davidson name. Visually, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Model F is expected to stand out with its timeless design language. Chrome accents, premium paint finishes, a sculpted fuel tank, classic round headlamp, comfortable seating position, and signature Harley styling cues could make it one of the most eye-catching motorcycles in its class. Every angle of the bike would be designed to reflect craftsmanship and attention to detail, allowing riders to enjoy both outstanding road presence and everyday practicality. The balance between heritage and innovation is expected to be one of the motorcycle's strongest qualities. Although Harley-Davidson has not officially confirmed every specification for the 2026 Model F, excitement continues to grow among motorcycle fans worldwide. If the final production model lives up to expectations, it could become one of the most talked-about classic-inspired motorcycles of the year. For riders looking for a machine that combines iconic styling, modern performance, and the unmistakable Harley-Davidson experience, the 2026 Model F could be a truly exciting option. Stay connected with Acer Autos for the latest motorcycle reviews, updates, and news as more official information becomes available.